time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above.
Yeah, magbababay lang ako ay Yun Music saka ano, kay Iki Music at saka Yun Music sister. Kasi uwi na sila sa Iksan. Tapos maiwan ako dito. So I just want to say goodbye to them. Yeah. My sister, say goodbye to you. Mua mua chup chup. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. And Iki Music Pang Pang, of course. Thank you very much. Bye bye. And see you again maybe. Yeah, see you again maybe next year or maybe next time. Yeah, maybe next time. Maybe you go Taiwan also. So this is my say goodbye to them because today they bring me here and drive me here and drive me to the lunch. And of course, I will check on them on time and look for their video and vlogs with me today. Thank you very much and I love you. I love you. Bye, take care. Bye, God bless. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Ayan, umuwi na sila. And balik na ako doon sa aking sa taas at magbo-vlog pa ako. So, ayun, kinasama lang nila ako ng the whole day and last night. Kasama ko sila last night. So, that's it. They go back to Iksan and I will go back also to my designated hotel. And tonight I will meet some of the vlogger. Yeah. Ewan ko kung sino yung parating mamaya. Ay. Ang hirap palang maging vlogger. Ayun. Ang hirap palang maging vlogger lalo na pag marami kang friends. So you need to deal with them talaga. Ayun. Thank you very much naman sa kanila dahil they are very supportive and loving.
Yeah, my life is